Hello guys, it's Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have another Asus gaming phone, the Asus ROG Phone version 1. So we already have a repair video for this smartphone, the version 2, and right now we're gonna check out how we can fix this ROG version 1 with a broken display. So we're gonna apply a screen replacement on this bad boy. First, like most smartphones, we have to remove the back panel. It's made up of glass, so we have to be very careful about the connectors that are connected to this plate. So as you can see, there is some adhesive tapes that are loosely connecting the back panel, and there's a wireless charger underneath it, directly underneath it. And same with the version 2, there's two parts of this back plate. There's a small one on the right side of it, and we're gonna cut off and clean off these adhesive tapes that are connecting the back plate, because it's not gonna work when we reassemble this thing again. So we're just gonna mark the screws that we're gonna remove from this smartphone, and the shroud is gonna come off right now, so we have to be very careful not to snap off flat cables. And right here there's a sensor that has fallen off, and we're gonna remove the flat cable connectors. Be careful not to snap one of these are critical components, and when you reassemble it, if you want to try it yourself, you have to be very sure to reconnect it properly and not botch it or even damage the cable. So we're going to remove the main board or the motherboard of the smartphone. You have to be very careful. The camera system is holding on to it. And the motherboard seems to be an inverted C, so it's one piece, and the black part inside that gold tape is the battery. So it's fairly big for a gaming smartphone, which is really good since it will improve the battery life a bit. And after preheating this display, the adhesive is already melted, and we're gonna remove it just like this. No screws, just adhesives. So this one is snapped off. We're gonna put it back right after this, and we're gonna clean off the points, adhesive points, and replenish it with fresh glue. So this glue can be melted in the future if you want to repair your ROG phone again. If you damage this screen again, you can remove this easily. So just to be sure, we're gonna replace it. So if you want to DIY this, you have to think about the reassembly process. It's not gonna be easy, because when you don't have these glue or adhesive tapes that are specific for the ROG version 1, then the replacement display may not be mounted properly, and it may cause you some problems, like it falling off while you're using it, or water damage, because water can seep through the cracks or the sides of it. So we're gonna reassemble it, reverse process. We're gonna put back the main board, the motherboard. We didn't have to remove the battery since it's already attached, and battery is very hard to remove since it's also held on by strong adhesive. So we're just gonna reinstall this temperature sensor right back to the main board. So we're gonna put back the shroud, which is a good sign that we're almost done. So if you want to have your ROG phone version 1 repaired, just seek professional professional service, not because we gain money from it, but for the reliability and the quality of the service, the job that you get, versus of you doing it on your own. And you have quality checks and warranties, unlike if you do it in your home and you break the replacement glass that you just bought from eBay or Amazon, then you're on your own. So in Sydney CBD Repair Center, we repair iPhones, Androids, and we have already repaired a lot of Asus ROG phones. So if you have a broken ROG phone in your house, or you want to have it fixed, then just visit our shop, or you can even send it through mail. Then we do the repairs in our shop and send it back to you. So that will be very convenient indeed. So right here we have already tested that the screen is all working and good. The camera systems are clear and not blurry because of some dirt. We're gonna replace the we're gonna reinstall the back plate with fresh glue like this. And after this, we're gonna let this glue cure. This is and we're gonna clean off some adhesives on the side. So we're just gonna use some rubber bands, and so this is it. It's basically done. We're just gonna wait for the glue to dry up, and we're gonna test charge it, our last test, and it's charging. So hope you like this repair talk, guys. Subscribe, like the video. Till next time, cheers.